Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a pet hotel in Adopt. This is a really good pet hotel and it's built by someone who is a really good builder. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so this is the hotel. This is how it looks. There's reception. Oops, this door is a minute ago. Hotels over here. Many. There's many more. This is the VIP section. This is the middle section, then stairs. This is a food area. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below what was your favorite floor. Personally, my favorite floor was the third floor because the bathtub looked really funny and it just looked nice. I like the pet place too over there. Thanks for watching. Bye.